Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video latest and trendy collection of texture Pixie haircut with beautiful hair dye, attractive and stylish trendy hairstyling, and so beautiful collection of texture Pixie haircut with beautiful hair dye, attractive hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about haircut in texture Pixie. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, some ideas: step, undercut, very beautiful collection in choppy, in notching haircut, and today's in my collection texture Pixie short hair, some ideas: too short hair, and some ideas with bang, very attractive bang, and different ideas of hair dye: blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, ash color, and some ideas in funky colors. Very attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and in ash color. Some ideas with dark base color of highlights and some ideas in light base color, mostly ideas light base color for funky colors of highlights, and very stylish collection of hairstyling, and mostly ideas in today's my collection: messy hairstyle and spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. Some ideas thick hair, some ideas thin hair, and mostly ideas in today's my collection: oval face, short hair hairstyling in texture Pixie with beautiful hair dye hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. Take care and bye bye.